Hello, on this video I want to share on how to create a WooCommerce product slider, something like this, okay, using a GenerateBlock Pro Carousel. Okay, first you need to download a code snippet from my website on gpawesome.com. This code snippet, it's free, okay. After that, go to your WordPress, and then in here I use a code snippet plugin. You can use another plugin as well. Okay, I will add a snippet here, and then add new PHP snippets, and then the dynamic text. Okay, okay, let's go to the page and create a carousel home page. Make sure you install a GenerateBlock Pro. This using a GenerateBlock Pro product carousel. Choose a carousel here, and then choose a query. Okay, and then under the query setting here, inside the query, change the post type to product. Then I will set to egg. Remove the post, and then I don't need this one also. I don't need this. If you want to use this, just you can leave it. In here I will delete it. Okay, and then change this title, flag this one. Okay, and save it. And then under the query, I will reset the style in here. Okay, I will remove the spacing. I don't want to use spacing, and then I will leave a border. Again, I will add an overflow. Okay, and under the image, I will remove the margin. Set the margin this and set the display block, and then I don't want to use a border radius on image. Okay, save. Next, I will delete this one first. Delete this one and leave the title, and then add after. Okay, let's see the sample. The price. Okay, next. Here, add text. Where is the text tag? Here, change the tag to div, and then under here, the code snippet here will add this function 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so add the price and then insert. Okay, after the price is the star rating. Add after. I will rename it this price, and then add after. Again, add text. Change to div, and then add a WooCommerce star rating here. Okay, rename address rating. Okay, add after. Add again text and change to div. The add to cart. Okay, last one is the sale page. I will add after. Again, add after. Change to div, and then WooCommerce sales label. Rename it sale label. Okay, I will put the sale label at very top because this position is absolute. Okay, here for the term list and this one I will wrap inside the container, so it's easier to add a spacing 20 and then set the display to flag, 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 align flag layout, and then alignment left, maybe egg. Okay, and then save. Let's see the click here. Okay, this is the result. Okay, so now we need to styling it to look like this. Okay, first the cell, I want to style the cell label here. Because the cell label is absolute position, I will change a loop position here. Loop to relative position. Okay, now the cell label, typography to maybe this, font cell bold, and then uppercase, text line center, and background to red, text to white, add some spacing here, maybe okay, to match this one, and then 15. Okay, and add border radius here 15, and then position absolute, top 15, left 15. Okay, next one I will style the category here on term list. You need to change the meta here, change into product categories, remove this one, link to terms, insert. Okay, I will style this first. I will change the font to 11, and then typography I'll remove the spacing. Okay, and then for the color under the link I will set to ancient color. I want to add a border bottom to this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, next change the title, the link I want change to black color. Okay, set to maybe only 60, 1 to 1.15 em. Oh, sorry, mistake. Change on the main. Okay, just change to 60, and then 1 5 1 2. Okay, save. Okay, I will remove the margin on all of the here. I will select all, and then I don't want to use margin here. Okay, let's see first. Okay, looks good. I will change first. So here is 4 column. I will change a carousel column is to be 4, and the spacing is 20. Okay, so now styling the price. Okay, in here on the price we need to add a selector here. If you go here on the price here, here need to add a selector. So you need to use inspect element to find a selector. Click here, just click here, and then the price. So the selector name is price. Copy this one, go back to the page, under the price here on the style and the selector here, add new selector, price, create new, and then change the font. I will use 18 and font weight bold. Okay, and length height I will set to 1 em. Okay, okay, and then I want to make this compress smaller. Again, you need to add a selector here. So the selector name is del, so we need to add a selector price del. Okay, go back here under on the price, go back to the mine, add another selector new, call the price del, add again, and then change the font size to, I want to use this one, font weight normal, sorry, just 12. Okay, so it's already small, and then I want to make this one in the column. You need to make the price here, the selector price here, the price selector to display flag, and then flag direction column, and then alignment to left. Okay, it's great. Okay, and then under the star, I think it's all good. You don't need to change anything here. Now we style the button. Okay, the button here, the chart button. Okay, first I will add a margin first, like 15 margin top. Okay, okay, 15 margin top. Okay, let's style the button. So in here we also need add a selector, the link selector here, this one. Okay, so I want to change the font into 15, and then font weight bold, and then change the background color to blue, and change the spacing into 8 pixel, and then this one. Okay, let's see again. Okay, need to add a border radius also, border radius to 8. Okay, it's done. Okay, and then also on the tablet view, you can change the carousel number. Here click this one, you can set the slideshow preview on the tablet, also on mobile you can set the number of the slider. Okay, also for another WooCommerce carousel, and you can find on my website also. In here I also have a couple product slider design here. You can see on demo here I create a couple slider here. Okay, so you can download from my website also. Okay, that's it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.